Before installing the shroud, make sure that the power cord to the angle grinder is unplugged. Consult the angle grinder's user manual to remove the safety guard before installing the shroud. Center the shroud over the arbor, aligning the positive grooves of the shroud brackets with the negative groove of the grinder's collar. Tighten the shroud's band clamp enough to keep the shroud from moving, but avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping the threads of the band clamp. Make sure the shroud is solidly attached and will not move off the grinder. If needed, install spacers between the angle grinder mount and cup wheel to achieve 1/8 of an inch between the cup wheel contact surface and the brush of the shroud. Install the cup wheel. Ensure that there is not excessive space between the contact surface of the cup wheel and the brush of the shroud. Connect the adapter hose to the shroud. A releasable tie is recommended to fasten the adapter hose to the grinder to prevent the hose from pulling on the shroud. Attach the shroud to a vacuum with the required CFM. OSHA requires a vacuum to provide 25 CFM per inch of cup wheel diameter. A 5-inch cup wheel will require a 125 CFM vacuum. And that's it. Your dust shroud is now installed and ready to go. And remember, make it dustless.